Hi parents, guardians, and students. The following tutorial video will walk you through how to retell a nonfiction book. When we're retelling a nonfiction book, we're essentially determining important ideas and summarizing in an attempt to synthesize newly discovered information with facts previously known. Retelling allows one to explain their understanding of a book. A friend or teacher can answer questions and offer connections and relate and make otherwise still words and information jump off the page. Discussion helps promote understanding through reflection. Let's take a look at the graphic organizer for a nonfiction retell that's available on my webpage for download. The organizer comes with a guiding question right from the get-go that asks students to succinctly summarize what the book, chapter, or page was mostly about. I always remind students to use the words in the question to start off their answer. Students are then asked to give 4 new or previously known facts that they have just gleaned from the book. The sentence starters come with. Let's take a look at our nonfiction retell graphic organizer available for download on my webpage. This co-created graphic organizer asks students to recall what the book, chapter, and page was mostly about, right from the get-go in a succinct manner. I remind students to use the words in the question to start off their answer. The next portion of the organizer asks students to recall 4 new, or otherwise, facts that they have just learned from the book. The sentence starters provided come with transition words to create flow between these 4 facts. Lastly, to round off our graphic organizer, there is a metacognitive piece. Metacognition is thinking about how we think. Students are asked to highlight the text features the author has incorporated to help explain the information. There are print features, there are organizational aids, and there are illustrations and other graphic aids. I'm sure you would agree that this is a pretty comprehensive list of text features for students to go ahead and review. Students are asked to select one text feature to unpack and explain how it has helped them navigate their way through the information provided, supporting their explanation with specific proof from the text. Grade 3 students can take their responses and place it within the body of a paragraph as a next step. Here's a strong work sample reflecting a level 4 response to the metacognitive question listed above. One text feature that the author included in this book to help me navigate my way through the information was an index. An index is a more specific focused table of contents. The index appears on page 58 of the text. I wanted to learn more about a poison dart frog after reading the chapter on South American frogs. I skimmed through the index till I reached the letter P. I found poison dart frog listed under the letter P, along with the numbers 43 to 45 and 51. I turned to those pages and found additional information there. As per usual, students are expected to apply all 3 steps of our proofreading plan after the written response to this graphic organizer.